Hi guys, Edney right here to another video for you guys on my YouTube channel. As you guys already know or probably know at this time, if you follow me on my Instagram, right, I opened this account that I will show everything. It will be a public 50k account. I start a 50k account. It will be public account. I will do every update that I think matter on this account. And today is the first day of the, let's say, series. I think I will give all these video a name and create one playlist and put all these video in this playlist so you can watch them, right? Watch them all. Right now, I am in one trade. I don't know if you guys can see right here. Let me just adjust my screen recorder and maybe you guys be able to see it. I'm in this trade right here. Wait, I need to close it a little bit. As you guys can see, this trade right here, took it some point here, went up, now it's coming down, and probably it took me out at break even. Probably is this trade right here. Actually, I took two positions, but I was planning since the beginning to close one soon in 5R. So as you guys can see right here, I closed one position at some point. Right here, it was a 10 lot position. And then the 20 lot position, I didn't close it because I'm planning to hold it till 12R, 12 risky reward, right? But we will not talk about the today trades. We will talk about this drawdown right here. As you guys can see, I on the bottom at the peak, this account was in 4.65% drawdown. So I ended up taking two stop loss. I took them a little bit out of my risk management, and let me explain to you guys why. Because I don't go out, I don't break my risk management. But what happened here, I have 100k account, that's my personal account that was trading before. But then what happened when I move to the 50k account, I continue with the same risk management. So that's why this type of thing happened. And I will show to you guys today the two trades that I took, and I ended up being two stop loss that made me go so deep in this drawdown right here. As you guys can see, 4.65 drawdown, and of course explain why I took these two trades. And of course I already told you guys that they both was out of my risk management, so that's why I ended up with 4.65% of drawdown, 4.65% drawdown, but I only lost minus 3.48, and then I go again, recover a little bit to 0.16. Then at the peak of these two trades, maybe I'm out of the trade. Yeah, I'm out now at break even, unfortunately. But at the peak of these two trades that I took today, I was in 2.53. I closed one position and I'm now 0.95% in profit, but this means nothing to me. 0.95 is like nothing, zero, right? It's almost 1%, but I always trade to at least 10% risk reward. So that's why 0.95 for me isn't nothing. But you guys will understand everything and how the way I trade, everything you guys will understand soon. Just subscribe to this channel and follow me in this playlist, right? Subscribe to the channel, drop your like, and let's go. Well, the first day I start this account, I don't know if I can get, let me just see here on my phone if I can show to you guys. Look, let me check here if I can. Wait, because I have two screens, right? I already told you guys I have two screens, so that's why sometimes I'm looking to the right side, because I'm checking my other screen that have my screen recorder program. As you guys, and I need to check the camera though, right? So now as you guys can see right here, wait, can focus on it. I don't know if it can focus, but now I'm in 5,485.89. So my profit's 485.89, so it's nothing. Well, but if I go here and go to custom and check the day I start to trade, it was 3 October, right? So let me just set it here. 3 October, right? 3 October. In the day 3 of October, I ended up in a huge loss, more than $1,000 in loss, as you guys can see. Wait, let me show to you guys. Yeah, as you guys can see right here, minus $1,742.13 in loss. Yeah, I lost all of these in the first day I start the account and made it public to everybody. I ended up with these two stop loss. Then in the day 4, let me just push it a little bit here. day 4, as you guys can see. Wait, focus on this camera is very bad. Yeah, now it's good. 1008.21.27, right? But what was this? Basically, I will explain everything to you guys, right? In this video, I will talk about day 3 and 4, and you guys will understand soon. On the first day, day 3, of course, as SSO range was at this green zone, right? Gray zone, sorry, right here, right? So what I was planning to do, I was planning to go on some cells, because here we took out the top of the SSO range, we broke structure. I will not say structure, I will not call it structure, I will call it a chalk, but type 2. Yeah, I ended up with this name to this type of confirmation. Then, but unfortunately, price never come back to fill my order that was someplace up here, because here my stop loss was too huge, and I don't trade with this type of stop loss. It's just too huge to me. Then, well, I didn't take anything here, but I ended up taking this sell right here with this chalk confirmation. As you guys can see, we respect demand here, we come back and respect demand again. Then price get out of the range, and when it get out of the range, come a little bit down, come back again, and unfortunately, and with this break of the minimum value of this red candle, it confirmed a chalk to me, and I ended up taking this sell. It was a straight stop loss. No price just come here, bounce back a little bit, and then stop loss, quick stop loss. So in this trade right here, ended up taking a loss. I didn't take anything here that I remember. No, I didn't take anything. Actually, in this point right here, I had one opportunity to buy, but I didn't took it because I was expecting actually some opportunity in some area right here, because we have all this buy side liquidity, sell side liquidity, sorry. All this sell side liquidity, I was planning that all this liquidity to be taken out, then maybe I will have some opportunity right here or at the bottom. As you guys can see right here, I mark up this zone right here has a demand zone, but here we have the bottom. That's why it's a little bit below this area, right? So yeah, this was these two. This first one was the first stop loss. Then right here, I didn't took this buy because I was expecting price to come a little bit lower, and then price go up again. And what I ended up doing again, taking another trade with this chalk confirmation, and it was what? It was another, as you guys can see right here, another clear and straight stop loss, right? Actually, in this trade here, I wasn't confident enough, but it was a valid confirmation, so I didn't allow my emotions to take control over my trading. So I just go there and place my order, and it was a stop loss. Okay, let's continue. Then in day 3, I didn't made anything more. Let's just come to day 4. Another clear, as I said, orange here creation. Then we come to this top right here. Look, right here, I took this sell with this chalk confirmation again. Right, chalk confirmation, another sell. With this sell position, what ended up, what happened, right? Look, when this type of stuff start to happen and price start to consolidate, I don't close my trade. I just wait to see what will happen, right? And here you guys can see clearly price, I ended up taking my position right here. Price broke structure and then come back and took me out at break even. That's why the first position was a clear break even. After taking me out in break even, it go a little bit down, but it didn't complete 1 to 10. So anyways, it will be a break even anyway. Then what happened again? I have another sell opportunity here with another chalk confirmation. Yeah, a lot of chalk confirmation, right? But at this time, I was like, I have already 2 stop loss. I have 1 break even. So I am in loss right now. So what I will do with this trade position, I will trailing stop. I will do trail stop, right? So, and why I will do trail stop? Because I want to recover from the loss I have and come back to my initial balance. That's why in this position, I ended up taking like 1,000 and something in profit that I showed to you guys. It was in day 4, right? And then the price blow, right? It blow, and if you didn't take any profit in this position, it will ended up the same like the previous one, in break even with 0 profit. But actually, it ended up with some profit, because when I took this trade right here, price move a little bit, price give me at his peak 5R, but I ended up taking just 1 and something, 1.8, 1.5, 1 point something. I already showed you guys the number, right? I don't remember anymore, but it was 1,800 and something. And then we come to today, that's day 5. So that's why in this day 4, as I showed to you guys already, let me come back here. I showed to you guys already, day 4, October 4, 2022, I ended up with 0.16% in profit because I took this, I put my, I moved my I moved my trailing stop and I ended up with some profit. That's why, okay? And today, I will do another video covering the today trading day. But don't forget, guys, please subscribe to the channel, drop your like, and if you want to be part of my next mentorship, please join the group, the Telegram group. The link is on the description of this video. I will launch it, I think, in this week. And if you want to be one of my students, everything you need to do is just join the group. And when I release everything, I open my inscription, you can do your enrollment. I will warn you guys all on my Telegram group, right? So see you guys there. Take care. Bye.